Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Muhammad Jahid Hassan. I'm an English language teacher. So right now I'm going to talk about a word, and the word is bout. The spelling of the word is A-B-O-U-T, bout. And the meaning in Bangla is সম্পর্কে বিষয় প্রায় বা আনুমানিক এরকম. Okay, now here are some sentences using bout. It costs about $10. They were talking about his strange clothes. She was furious about our mistake. This is about the best we can hope for. I'm not about to lend you any more money. I was sitting about all morning waiting for the plumber. This book is about homeless people in the cities. Right now, I'm going to drill 2 sentences. It costs about $10. 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 এটার মূল্য $10. She was furious about our mistake. 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 সে আমাদের ভুল নিয়ে অনেক রাগান্বিত ছিল. Thank you very much.